my calendar for the entire 26 was laid out in November. The major rocks, the big rocks on events, legal shield events, everything's taking place, but that was laid out. So the best time to prepare your calendar is not when the new year comes in, right? You should schedule it now. So let's talk about a couple of things, and this may hopefully come over well. We kind of talked about this. So what is your business image? How does your email communications look, your signature look? How does your Zoom background? Most of my backgrounds when I'm presenting the Zoom with a company looks like this, right? Sometimes it's a blurred background. So what's your presence look like? How do your business cards look? How does your Zoom verbiage on your Zoom page look? So let's talk about this for a second. Our panelists here, I know some of this has just popped up. So what's some of the things we should think about as we're looking at expanding our business in 2026? Our image. Can you give us a nugget or tip on how to better our image in 2026? We'll go with James first. Yes.
Yeah, I'll jump in here. And there's a, all right, you did say we wanted to touch on this, but not hurt anybody's feelings. All right. And you know, Ken, you got to put a muzzle on me because I'll say stuff. So honestly, I would really ask everybody just three things. If you were doing business with you, would you like the way you look on your Zoom?